Hey, I just wanted to show you a cool piece of camping gear I bought recently. This is a travel fridge freezer from the Whynter brand, and right now I'm just gonna show you it's hooked up to the DC outlet, and I can run it to the DC hookup here inside the car, and the engine is turned off, but you can clearly see the controls for both the freezer and the fridge, or vice versa. There's two containers that can be switched from freezer to fridge, and vice versa. It goes down to like -8 degrees, and this right here is the AC cord. I'm gonna show you the interior real quick. So I had the option to buy this insulating bag, which I bought for like an extra 30 bucks, which is pretty cool. It's very convenient when you have a place outside in the sun to provide extra insulation. So this right here is one of the chambers. It comes with like two racks and a drain hole, so it's pretty deep. You can see it's probably close to like 2 feet deep, so it's very spacious. This right here is a 90 liter freezer, so this is probably the biggest freezer they have. It comes with these two handles, and also comes with these 4 wheels you can attach to the base so you can roll it, but then you have to take the actual cover off. And the cover has these two pouches, one on this side and one on the other side, I believe. This one new retails for like around $900, close to $1,000, but I was able to buy it directly from the company in Brea, California. It's called Brea, and that's where they have the warehouse. So I was able to buy it for like 300 bucks, which was a pretty good deal. And they also have like different size freezers, but I opted to get the biggest travel freezer slash fridge for now, for whenever I'll get like an RV or like a larger camping vehicle. So right now this freezer is probably a little too big for an SUV, which I'm driving right now. So besides the car hookup, the internal DC connector, I can hook it up to like a jackery power station, or anything that's over like 500 watts. So ideally anything that's like 500 watts and above. So you can see right now it's hooked up to the power station, and it's hitting like 13 volts. So I can also set the temperature, obviously. Okay, so that's as cold as it gets, like -8 degrees Fahrenheit. So obviously it's going to take a bit of time to cool down or freeze to adjust the temperature, but this is like the size of a college dorm freezer slash fridge. So this is pretty spacious, powerful, and very convenient and versatile, especially having like two separate fridge slash freezer compartments. It's pretty big. It takes about 2 people to carry it around. That's why it has 2 handles, because the freezer by itself weighs around 75 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. And it's not just heavy, it's like very large or wide It's probably too large or wide to be able to reach around and grab two or both handles to carry it around. So this is pretty cool. I'm happy I bought it. You know, for 300 bucks, this was a pretty good deal. And it's also cheaper than other brands such as Iceco or Dometic. A lot cheaper, and basically provides the same functions, same freezing and cooling power. So definitely a very valuable asset if you go camping or RVing, or if you just decide you want to try the van camper life, instead of just renting a place. So this is like very essential, especially when it gets super hot outside and you need to keep your food cold or frozen. So that's all for now. I just want to give like a personal review of this very valuable appliance. And this right here is the model number is the FM901OZ. And again, the brand is right here, so you can guys check it out. Thanks.